Welcome to Rhodes. We are going to show you one of my favorite recipes that we have. It is this adorable Santa. So we're going to start off with 18 of our dinner rolls, and I've let them thaw. They're still a little bit cold to touch. We're going to combine two together, and this is going to be the face. That's going to be the whole start of this Santa. Two more of our dinner rolls. We're going to combine them. It's going to be a triangle for his hat, and fold it over just a little bit. So we're going to take one of these dinner rolls and we're going to cut it in half, and half of this is going to make that nose. So we're going to take the other half of this and we are going to cut it in half and make teardrop kind of shapes, and we are going to place this mustache underneath his nose. So we've got the fringe that's going to go on the top there, and then we're going to build his beard out, and then we've got to remember to do the pom-poms. So it's simple. You're just going to work your way through that. And on the recipe on rhodesbakeandserv.com, it says to cut each one of these sections, each roll, in 6. So I'm going to take my melted butter here, and I'm going to brush all of the beard. I'm going to brush the face. I am not going to brush the nose and the hat with this melted butter. So I covered that with plastic wrap that had been sprayed. I let this rise 30 to 45 minutes. We've got the orange zest with the sugar, and what we're going to do with him is we are going to cover that over his beard. We are also going to do the fringe of his hat, right above his hat. We're going to do the pom-pom when I mix this coloring gel with egg yolk. And then I'm going to show you how to paint the hat and how to paint the nose. We have baked this, and if you can see how that came out, you get that good color. Now what about his eyes? I used raisins, so we've got to put our glaze on there. We are going to take our powdered sugar, our fresh orange juice, mix these ingredients together. We're going to take this, and you can just glaze this, and it just turns out to be the cutest Santa that you ever wanted to eat. Thank you for baking with Rhodes.